because Japan is such a rice country,
Yeah.
we eat a lot of rice very simply, just as plain white rice. We also eat plain white rice in the form of an onigiri, just for on the go purposes. Kids love it. And fermented foods like, for example, this takana. This is pickled Japanese, what would it be? Leaf mustard, type of green. But it's also fermented and it's sweetened with sugar and salt and probably water. We would mix that into rice and sort of like form a ball into an onigiri, which is sort of like a nice way to boost the flavor of that rice. Or I don't know if you've heard of umeboshi. It's like a pickled plum, and it's so sour. Have you tried it?
I think, is it a part of umeshu?
I believe that the umeshu ume, it is either the young version of the plum I'm talking about. It's like a different species of it, but the one I'm talking about, the umeshu one's green, and what I'm talking about is like it's more of a pink one because it's pickled into red juice. It is a derivative of the umeshu plum, but we pickle it in and make it really, really, really sour. You'll make this face when you eat it. So sour, but we put that into like this single plain rice, make it into a ball, and it just complements the rice.